Hello everyone. Today in this video, I am showing how to set a bobbin into the machine using Brother computerized machine, and the model number is FS70WTX. So I already have a bobbin ready to be set in the machine. Let's get on with the process. First thing we need to do is to remove the cover. It can be done very easily by just pressing the cover and sliding it out, like so. Put the bobbin in the machine in a way that the direction of the end of the thread is placed in anti-clockwise, if that makes sense. So I am placing the bobbin inside now and holding the end of the thread here. There's a diagram in the machine to show how the thread should go around. So it's very helpful for it. So make sure the thread is correctly inserted through the tension adjusting spring of the bobbin case. So there's a hook or split, you can say, that you need to feed in the thread like this. You can pause the video and see the image again. Once the thread is set, and you can bring over through the channel and cut the extra thread. There's a cutter available like this. And then the bobbin is set. Let's put the cover back in by simply sliding it in like this. In the next step, hold the thread coming out from the needle and then bring the needle all the way down by hand wheel. Once the needle is down, it will bring the bobbin thread automatically. You simply have to pull the bobbin thread out. So now I got both the threads out. One is coming out from the needle and the second one is from the bobbin. So now you can trim the extra length of the thread like this. Friends, hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.